Hello, how are you? Today I'm making my mom's easy chess pie recipe. It's made with very simple ingredients that you probably already have in your house. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 stick of melted butter, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 3 well-beaten eggs, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And just stir until it's well combined. Then you pour into an unbaked pie shell and bake in a 300-degree oven about 45 to 50 minutes or until the center is set. This pie is so easy and so delicious. I'm putting the recipe in the description box and also a link to a free recipe card to make it easier. Hope you'll enjoy.